What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Tuesday. So yesterday we started a new week in the stock market. Today is October 29th, so we only have 2 more days after today in October. This Friday will be the 1st of November, so we start a brand new month after Friday. And we're gonna see what we make in dividends for the month of October once I get my final 2 plays in, which will be announced tomorrow. We got a couple of announcements, distributions for tomorrow. We got Clip, the Crane shares. We got the weekly Yield Max plays, Defiance, and a lot of things going on this week. So I'm going to keep you guys up to date. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow me on my investment journey. I believe right now my YouTube channel is at, I believe we are currently at 1,000, I think 623, I want to say, or maybe, no, 1,630 subscribers. So I will be doing a $100 giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe to enter that. I also have, for anyone that hasn't seen my past videos, I now have a membership going. I called it the Dividend Army. It's $1.99 a month. You get priority reply to comments, member shout out, and you get a loyalty badge that comes next to your name in comments and live chat if any of you want to support the channel. So even just subscribing is a big help, so thank you so much. And if you do join the membership, thank you. I appreciate each and every single one of you that subscribe and support the channel. So before I begin, I want to always announce I'm not a financial advisor. Please make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or cryptocurrency. All right, so let's head on to Robinhood and see how the portfolio is doing for the day. Actually, I did see this come up earlier. I updated my Robinhood app. There's now a 2024 presidential election. You can now choose who you think is going to win this upcoming election between Kamala Harris or Donald Trump. And you could buy a contract for either Donald Trump or Kamala Harris. And it says here, if whoever wins this election, you get $1 for every contract you buy. And that's going to be before you got to either close your position before January 6th. And, this is basically if Donald Trump wins, I believe you get whatever you put in at 64 cents for a contract, I believe. So, this is all politics stuff that I don't really like to talk about, but that's just what I wanted to share. That's on Robinhood right now. So anyways, the portfolio stands at $56,885, up $355.15 for the day. As far as my margin goes, I've used $590 in margin, and I got $409 to play with out of that 1K interest free that Robinhood gives me. And my margin status is at low risk, so that's looking good. And then we have Bitcoin. I wanted to go over Bitcoin for today. It actually did hit 73,000. I think it was 73,400 around there. And then it pulled back a bit. So Bitcoin has been on the move. So crypto is slowly heading on the bull trend right now. Now that elections is literally 1 week away. So let's see how crypto and the overall stock market reacts to this election. I'm hoping it's all bullish, of course. We want to make money. We all want to make money in this game, in the stocks and crypto. So that's where we're at. As far as my stocks go, I've been accumulating dollar cost averaging, as you guys can see. Distributions will be going out for the weekly Yield Max funds, Y Max. I got 424 shares. I'm down 12%, so that's going to be announced tomorrow. Y Mag, I have 375. I'm down 5%. And then IWNY, which is the Defiance, 216 shares. I'm down 22%. And then obviously the Roundhill QDTE, I got 4 shares. I'm up 1%. RDTE, I got 3 shares, up 0.34%. And then XCTE, 2 shares, I'm up 0.77%. So all of these will be announced tomorrow. And we have QQQT, which is another defined fund that I actually added. I now have 3 shares of that. So that's been pretty good. I added back AGNC. I bought basically what I had when I sold. I think I sold around 7 shares. I bought 8 shares of this, and I'm up 67 cents. I figured, you know what? Let's add it back. It's been, it hasn't been, it hasn't, like, NAV hasn't been bad, and they pay a decent dividend. So I figured I'd just keep accumulating more shares of AGNC. So that's been added to the second week. NVDY, now I have 1 full share of this. I plan on buying more and accumulate more of this. I'm up 0.56%. So that's also in the second week. All right, so fourth week. We have 2 more plays, which I talked about in my previous videos. Clip. So Clip, I got 675 shares. I'm down 12%. So Clip, if they announce at least a 30-cent distribution, well, I'm hoping it's a little higher than that, but if they announce a 30-cent distribution for 675 shares, that's $202. So that's going to put me at $3,000 of dividends that I made in October. That's going to be a new all-time high. It's already at a new all-time high, but this will be $3,000 if they announce a 30-cent distribution tomorrow. Now, I always go on the low side of things because I don't want to get my hopes up. Let's say they announce a 25-cent distribution. That's going to be $168. I'm going to have to add the numbers again to see if I make $3,000 with this, but hopefully it's 30 cents. And I also have DIVO, which is another play that hasn't been announced yet. And I don't think I'm going to make, I'll probably make like $1 from this play, but it's been pretty good. I'm up 2%. I've been dollar cost averaging, and they pay, I believe, like 15 cents per share, something like that. So they've been doing pretty good as well for me, DIVO. And then, I have all my other plays as well. So that's currently where I'm at with my portfolio, guys. I'm always trying to accumulate. I'm always trying to add new plays. And I figured I'm just going to continue adding monthly dividend paying stocks for now. And the main reason why I'm doing that is because I want income every single month. And I want to keep accumulating more dividends, compounding. And, this is why I have VOO, because the VOO is for growth. It's the S&P 500 ETF. You can't go wrong with the VOO. It's one of the best Vanguard ETFs, in my opinion, that's in the stock market. And it's a great long-term stock. I'm up 27%. I got 3 shares. And I'm always adding money to that. So if I want growth, I would just add money to the VOO. And it has the whole top 500 companies in the U.S. And I also have SDHD for great dividend income as well. So all these other ones are monthly. Some are risky, some are good, like REITs. And then we got some stable ones. So we have a little bit of everything here in the portfolio, guys. So that's where I'm at, guys. 56K. We got elections coming next week. And then we got weekly distributions as well coming tomorrow. They're going to be announced. And we also got the Crane shares, like I said. So I'll make another video tomorrow to share everything with you guys. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for the support. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. Check out the links down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, check out my link down below and you get a free stock. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Sorry. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.